Welcome to our channel. Activating your Netspend employee card online is quick and gets your card ready for work-related expenses. Step 1. Visit the official Netspend website by typing netspend.com in your web browser. Step 2. Look for the Activate Card or Card Activation section, typically found in the main menu or homepage. Step 3. Enter your complete 16-digit Netspend employee card number found on the front of your card. Step 4. Provide the 3-digit security code located on the back of the card in the signature panel. Step 5. Enter additional verification information such as your date of birth or social security number, last 4 digits. Step 6. If you're a new Netspend user, create an online account by providing your email address and creating a password. Step 7. If you already have a Netspend account, log in with your existing username and password. Step 8. Set up a 4-digit PIN for your employee card by choosing a secure but memorable number. Step 9. Confirm your PIN by entering it a second time to ensure it's correct. Step 10. Review any terms and conditions associated with your Netspend employee card. Step 11. Click the Activate, Submit, or Complete button to finalize your activation. Step 12. Wait for the confirmation screen showing successful activation. Step 13. Sign the back of your card with a permanent marker. Your Netspend employee card is now active and ready for use on approved business expenses. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.